Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Via Velo Bike U-Locks. When looking for a perfect U-Lock for your bikes, then, this Viva Velo U-Bike lock is the best choice for bike, and with it combines the security and safety that the U-Lock gives and the versatility and flexibility of a cable lock. This product is one of the good U-Locks for bikes available today and is well known in the biker community. Via Velo Bike U-Lock with hexagonal PVC cover resists corrosion from water, dust and dirt to prolong the life of your lock. All-weather performance means peace of mind and better security. This 2-in-1 heavy-duty bicycle U-Lock and woven steel cable for added protection gives seamless security and added protection are yours in all weather conditions, anywhere you go. This Via Velo 2-in-1 lock system, with 0.55-inch diameter U-Lock pick, pull and drill resistant double bolt locking mechanism and debris cover, combined with a 5 feet 10-inch woven steel cable, brings convenience and performance together. Includes a handy mounting bracket and 2 specialized safety keys. Lock debris cover keeps dust and dirt out of your lock. PVC protective coating material protects your bike from getting scratched. Resists corrosion from water, dust and dirt to prolong the life of your lock. Our second best U-Lock for bike is Kryptonite Bicycle U-Lock Bike Lock. The company will repair your bike if taken away because the lock was compromised in Manhattan, which hundreds of bicycles are taken every year. The U-Lock comes with the shackle is hardened to 16 mm and has the pass-through design of the crossbar to protect against twisting attacks, making thieves cut the shackle twice in order to cause damage to the lock. Based on my personal experiences, the lock weighs 4 pounds and is great for use for mallets, too. The mounting bracket included uses the nylon strap to attach to the frame, instead of passing through the bosses of bottles, which increases the number of possibilities of mounting. The design, however, relies on friction to hold it in position, which means that reviews from users are not always positive on the long-term performance of this. Third in our list is Kryptonite Keeper 12 mm U-Lock. This is lightweight U-Locks are best if you're in low-risk areas, while heavy-duty U-Locks and chains deliver serious protection in high-risk environments. 12 mm hardened performance steel shackle with new hardened double deadbolts to engage both ends, increasing holding power. The lock was designed for bike messengers since they are locking and unlocking their bike in high theft areas dozens of times per day. The small U-Lock weighs about 3 times heavier than the light Avis U-Lock, which we judged as the most lightweight U-Lock. If you require locking up frequently, especially in areas with high theft rates or for prolonged durations, you'll need greater security. The additional 3 pounds of weight is the reason this is a more secure lock, and also compares to other locks that are heavy duty that are available. The lock comes with a flexible flex frame U-bracket for mounting so that you can choose from a variety of options for mounting the lock directly to the bike. Number 4 in our best U-Lock for bike list is Titanker U-Lock Bike Locks. When looking for the strongest U-Lock, you need to find something which also provides safety to your bike. Safety and protection should be the 2 main factors to consider if you want to take care of the bike to the fullest. This Titanker is known for providing high-quality bike security and safety using a proven locking mechanism that will drive away all bike thefts. The main purpose, the primary purpose of the U-Lock is to ensure that the bike is secure and safe all time. The bike lock is well designed and contemporary, which to me is a great thing. It seems to be quite safe and easy to install. The keyless locking mechanism with 4 combinations gives you a sense of comfort and is an ideal alternative to locking your bike. I think that using the option of a combination is better than carrying the key around every time, and having the possibility of losing it. The U-Lock is swift and easy to use, while sliding the lock off of the stem can be accomplished in only one click. I also appreciate the size of the shackle as well as the cylinder. It appears durable and robust and will withstand any attack to be snatched by criminals. This item comes with an extension cord that is able to enhance the safety of your bicycle. It may initially be difficult for you to maintain it, particularly when riding your bike. Our last pick is Sigtuna Bike U-Locks. This Best U-Bolt Bike Lock. A premium, high-quality lock that provides maximum protection to your bike. With solid and sturdy components, this bike lock is designed to stop thieves from cutting and breaking it, which will stop you from having your bicycle taken. The U-Lock measures 16 millimeters. It is built of high-performance steel that gives strength, durability and resistance to attacks by theft. The cylinder is also equipped with a double locking mechanism which will stop thieves from taking the lock. I believe that with the security features mentioned above, your bike is secure even when left to its own devices. While the lock is heavy, but the 16mm steel provides the highest security despite the added weight. It can be put onto the upper tube of the bike and it should hold. The plastic cover that covers the entire cylinder is constructed well and is designed to safeguard the bike's surface from being scratched. In addition, the mounting bracket can be used to give you flexibility with regards to mounting in different directions. All you need to do is place the bracket in the direction you prefer.